Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into Ellevest, your fast start for financial growth. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access your account seamlessly. Step 1. Navigate to the Ellevest website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.ellevest.com. Hit Enter to navigate to the Ellevest homepage. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once you are on the homepage, look for the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Ellevest account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid login errors. Step 4. Complete additional security steps if necessary. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Check your messages and input the code into the designated field. Step 5. Click on the Login button. After entering your credentials and any verification codes, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to load your dashboard. Step 6. Access your account. Once logged in, you will have access to your Ellevest account dashboard. Here you can explore various financial tools and resources that Ellevest offers to help you on your journey to financial growth. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to log in to Ellevest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.